Actually, one of the first trips I took as Minister in 2020 was to Donegal, and you attended yourself, and we met residents in Buncrana. I met residents in, I went to homeowners at the time. I've been to homeowners in Clare. This was a scheme that I inherited. I inherited a scheme from February 2020, January, February 2020, which I've committed and this government have committed to improving. I firstly, Ceann Comhairle, genuinely want to thank the homeowners and their representatives for their serious engagement and the time and effort that they've given voluntarily to the working group process which I established following the protests in the summer. And they've engaged honestly. It's been difficult. My own officials have engaged, and I brought the Housing Agency in also, who I think will play a very important role in this. We're committed to enhancing this scheme, and we've made progress already. I'm not going to delay on it, Deputy McLaughlin, I can tell you that, and I do recognise both my own colleagues in government, TDs and senators, and indeed your own, and the input that they have had into this process, because it is an absolute tragedy. It's people's homes crumbling, and we want to help to resolve that. I respect the right of people to protest, I always have, and I recognise this, and I gave an indicative timeline to the residents when I met them on the 29th of September. I did say to them that my work would not be concluded by the 8th of October, and in fairness, they realised that and accepted that, and we had a good and open discussion around it. And I've said clearly that nothing, including the caps or the 100%, is off the table. I need a government decision on that. I will be bringing option papers to government in the coming days. We will be bringing that to Cabinet then as well to make a decision, and I will absolutely be engaging, particularly with the representatives from the affected counties on defective blocks.